Welcome to Dimitria's Sparrow, the doorway to unveiling the beautiful woman that is in you. Femininity, as we know it, is a learned skill that has been taught for thousands of years. And compared to the cis girls out there who were taught such a thing since day one, we've got some catching up to do. You feel how you look. And it can be intimidating if you don't know where to start. So many makeup products, so many hairbrushes, so many shoes, high heels, and weird looking makeup tools. No need to get overwhelmed. I am your pathway. Femininity should give you life. It should calm you, alleviate you, or as Zed would put it,
it makes me feel comfortable.
Catering to transgender women and cross-dressers alike, plus anyone else interested in expressing themselves in a feminine way. Follow my Instagram and Facebook and tune in for my weekly 101 tutorials. You won't want to miss what is next in this journey to freedom and femininity. Your path starts right now.